Hey everybody! I just ran out to the post office and delivered my 6 or 7 pieces to the post office for the auction that we just had on Facebook. And my first time out in about a week. I had been housebound the whole time through the auction for 4 days, and prior to that getting ready to roll, and yesterday boxing up stuff and packing it up. And so it's been quite an adventure, but we had, I think, pretty good success. Two of the artists sold out their whole show, which we are super proud of them. And I got a package today of one of the pieces I purchased in the auction because I believe in supporting other artists. I bought several pieces actually, but this is what came today. So we're going to open it up. Might need some scissors. Okay, time for the reveal. It's from Carol Chalmers Studio. She is a seasoned artist of many years, multifaceted, talented artist. And she had a painting of elephants, and I just had to have it for my future daughter-in-law, who will be my daughter-in-law on Easter Sunday. We're having a wedding. So anyway, let's turn it around and see what it looks like. Oh, how sweet. It's so soft and pretty. There it is. I think you can see it better from this angle than when I turn it towards the light. It kind of fades it out. But my daughter-in-law to be is an elephant fanatic, and she's been on trips to see elephants in the whole 9 yards. So I had to give this as just a little tiny wedding gift to her, just because she's fabulous and she makes my son happy. So this is for Carrie, and thank you, Carol. I love it. And I hope everybody else that gets paintings and items that they bid on and won in this auction, I hope they will share this on the Facebook group in Art Healing Hearts Auctions and show everybody your packages. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.